Hi everyone, for today's video, we are going to show on how to crimp RJ45 connectors with a Lan cable. So our materials will be the crimper, the cutter, a tester, and RJ45, also the Lan cable. This is the straight through style. So first, we are going to strip 1.8 cm to 2 cm of the jacket at the end of the cable. Let us straighten the 4 pairs, twisted wires, and the rank of the wires between our fingers. So the next step is we are going to insert the wires into the RJ45 connectors. So the color code of the straight through cable is, first is white orange, then orange, green white, blue, white blue, green, and white brown. So the next step is crimp the RJ45 connectors to the cable. The last step is we are going to test using the tester.